All right, guys, we have Kane's 2016 Honda Civic with a cracked oil pan. He ran over a bottle jack. Here's his bottle jack. Let's check out some damage. Yeah. So today we're gonna replace his oil pan, do an oil change and oil filter, gasket the pan. That's our job for today. Here's my shirt, West Coast Lube Tech. Hit me up. All right, guys, we got the oil filter off. It was kind of bent. It's nothing special, nothing crazy. We're gonna start by, come a little closer, Kane. We're gonna start by removing this 14 or 12 that's connected to this downpipe header, whatever you want to call it, exhaust. So we're gonna move that bracket, start from there, get this compressor bracket off, and then work my way around this way, removing all the tins and seeing how far it goes. All right, guys, making some progress. Getting these header bolts off. We're almost there. Got one more bolt right here. Get that baby off. Now, with this flex pipe, we should be able to.
Is that screw still?
I don't want to fight it. Always remember, if something's hard to take off, it's gonna be hard to put it back on. So work smarter, not harder. Next video. All right, guys. So we just noticed another thing. Bottle jack did more damage. Broke exhaust hanger right here. So he's got to replace a hanger here. Mount, whatever you guys want to call it. Exhaust mount, hanger. People call it different things. We got to double check if, I forget the name of this, maybe an oil sump. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, I don't care. I don't know if that's bent or anything. So we got to check this out too. Can't really see until we get the oil pan off, but yeah, just a quick update on the broken hanger. Next video. All right, guys, we're here. All right, downpipe header, whatever you guys want to call it, we dropped that. Okay, now there's no way to fish it out. If you guys can see here, let me see if I can get it for you. Here, there's no way to fish it through the tunnel. I can't fish it through the tunnel, so I gotta work around. Let's see, I gotta work around this downpipe right here. So, like I was saying before, downpipe is dropped, header, whatever you guys want to call that. Again, yeah, header dropped. Yeah, we got to work around that. So I'm gonna start taking these tins off the oil pan. I might have another that might be 17 right there. I gotta take off right here. Might have to remove that. Bro, this oil pan's big, bro. That's why I like K-Series. You get the aluminum oil pan, simple and clean, right there in front of you. I might have to remove this mount bolt right here. Might be a 17. Yeah, I'm just gonna start attacking these bolts around the oil pan, as many as I can see, and go from there. Back in 10 minutes. Out. All right, guys. So now I've broken all the bolts loose on the oil pan. All the tins are broken loose. Now I'm gonna work on the AC compressor. There's some, look at that, almost got some shit in my eye. I forgot my safety glasses, man. But I'm start working around the compressor, taking all the bolts off that are connected to the oil pan. On this unit, there's some, thank you for stopping the music. There's some bolts connected to the oil compressor that I need to get off. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, you know. I just started doing this. Judge me if you want. I'm good with criticism, so criticize me all you guys like. Yeah, just keep me updated. So like I said, we're here. We got the compressor, AC compressor. Like I said, we have some bolts connected to the oil pan that we have to remove in order to take it all the way off. I got to get this 12 off. I already got it hand loose, so this one should be ready to come out. I'll break it from here too, break that loose. We're making some good progress. We go pick up the new oil pan at 4 p.m. We already got the new oil filter. We have to get some fresh oil for this car. And yeah, we'll go from there. Look at that 17 I gotta remove. Looks like that's connected to the oil pan. It looks like this is where the oil pan ends. So 2 17s here. I'm assuming, right? Connecting the motor to the trans. Could be wrong. I don't know. I'm not a fucking master tech. Excuse my language. But yeah, we're gonna get this shit done. All right. So getting this bracket off. Got those 2 bolts out of the AC compressor. They look like this. They're long shank. They call it a shank, I believe. Long shank. It's actually good I'm recording that so I can remember where these bolts are coming from if I forget. Because I'm not perfect. I'll be fucking up sometimes. I think we all fuck up sometimes, man. Nobody's perfect, right? But at least I will put these back. Alright. This one too. Get a shallow. 14. Again, I am changing the oil pan here. I'm replacing the oil pan here. Oil pan and the oil change, if I didn't already say it for the video. 2016 Honda Civic. He ran over a bottle jack that was on the highway. He didn't see it, ran it over, crushed his oil pan. Could be worse. So now there is a AC compressor line attached to the oil pan. It's located, let me see if I can get it for you. So I'll show you a picture. I'll get it on video. See if I can get it. There's a small compressor line going to the oil pan right there that has to be removed. So I'll do that last, if you guys can see. I don't know if I got it for you on video. I'll get it in the next clip. All right, guys, checking in. Let me back that up a little bit. All right, you see this nasty ass mount right here? I believe the oil pan is also attached to that. Well, not attached, but bolted to it. So you got the one here and another one. We got the one here. Then you got another one up here. Bam. Right there. So I'm thinking of just taking this bolt out here, pulling that out, loosening this one, drop that, move the mount out the way. Once I move this mount, I can get to that 17. I've already got this 17 loose right here, so I need to get that off. But one thing I want to check, I want to go get the new oil pan, and I want to see exactly where these things are attached to. You need us to move?
Yeah, if you could.
All right, man, appreciate it. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing good, man.
What happened over here?
Oh, we got a smashed oil pan. Checking in. I just want to close out this video. We got all the bolts loose for the oil pan. We're gonna go pick up the oil pan right now from O'Reilly's. Get some oil. We're gonna go to dinner for my fiance's birthday.
Daddy.
What's
Daddy,
up?
We gonna go at LJ's house.
And we're gonna meet up with LJ and EK Lando.
Yeah.
And we finna do it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. And we going?
Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna finish the video tomorrow. We're gonna continue with the video tomorrow. Replace the oil pan. Put some oil in it, new filter. Check out that oil sump. I think it's called a sump. We're gonna check that out, make sure it's not damaged. And we'll go from there. See you guys tomorrow. We out.